Our latest feature release, 10.4, is now live and available to all customers. There's a bunch of new enhancements, and we'd love to show you them. We released a brand new feature, Optional Content, earlier this year, and we're now making this feature available to all customers as standard. Optional Content allows you to mark any content, either an asset or a playlist link, as optional for the end user, meaning that it does not count towards playlist completion statistics. By default, any new content is marked as required, but can be changed to optional by the admin or playlist owner. If you have previously used playlist links, these will now all be marked as optional, but again can be changed to required. We have more information on the use cases for optional content, and the link is in the description. To further enhance managing assets and playlists in the front end, we're adding a couple of new fields. The first relates to our team playlist feature, which must first be enabled, and allows you to select which team manages the playlist. And the second field allows for custom data, and this is for the use of third-party integrations. In addition, we're also increasing the file size limit to 3 GB for any content asset or SCORM package that you wish to upload to your hub. And finally, we recently introduced a new changelog within the admin area. Alongside viewing all changes made to content and users within your hub, if you have mistakenly deleted an asset, you will now be able to view the file before restoring it back to your hub. And all data from the changelog can be extracted to CSV or XLS files. If you have any questions about this release, please contact your local CSM or customer support team.